Hello, YouTube friends and family. Girl is catching it over here. But I have a Dollar Tree for y'all. Dollar Tree haul for y'all. Dealing with notices from the HOA about the grass I just replaced last year. But we ain't gonna talk about that. We just gonna keep praying about this thing. So we got a few things. We are trying to stay out the grocery store, trying to kind of do that 30-day pantry challenge like Frugal Fit Mom, and clearing out, because after that Winn-Dixie haul, that pretty much set me up with the stuff I got growing in the garden to be able to eat out of here for about 30 days. Yep, so that's what we doing, to save some money and stay out these stores. But we have the garlic bread. I did grab a couple of things. The garlic bread and the mixed vegetables. So I use these for fried rice, and this will go with the meal at cameraman's request. Here you go, cameraman. You can put that back. So then we have, I did find these. So this was a new item, and they are called conversation cards. So they have two. One is the icebreaker and one is for the family. So that'll be a good little, something to do if you want to connect with your kids, or, having a little get-together gathering. That'll be something to do. Then they had books. We found some good summer teenage reading, I hope. I didn't even read this. Unsettling and utterly gripping, the stunning portrait, desperate battle. Okay, this is for survival. So this one is, it's a historical novel, and it's Where the World Ends. So cameraman picked this out himself, and it is a New York Times best-selling author, and okay, it looks pretty good about being stuck on an island. So Where the World Ends. And then he saw this play, this musical. So he wanted the book, and it's Dear Evan Hansen, the novel. So he wanted to read this, because I'm sure it's a whole lot different from the musical. So that's his summer reading at the $1.25 tree. So now we're going to do a review. They are continuously carrying this, which is a good thing, because apparently cameraman loves these things. Sweet and salty peanut. And I think I did taste them. They're pretty good. So we have another rice. I bought the peri rice the last time, but this is Bombay rice, and it has water, basmati rice, onion, sunflower oil, ginger, garlic, sea salt, cumin seeds, natural flavors. There you go. Spices, turmeric and black pepper, and sunflower lecithin emulsifier. That's it. That's the ingredients in the tilde rice 90 seconds. So this is good for a quick meal. We do bowls a lot here. Leftovers, things like that. Then the cilantro lime rice. This rice was delicious. Delicious. Quick when you're trying to get dinner on the table in 30 minutes. And it's 1 or 2 people. So I bought 2 more of the cilantro limes. Great for Taco Tuesday. We were out of ketchup, and we were scared to try that newer brand that's a bigger bottle. If you've tasted that, let me know in the comments if it's okay. But we went on about our regular smegular hunts because we were out. I know it's probably a little cheaper in Walmart. You'll get a bigger bottle or something like that, but we were there. So he wanted, I let him pick a snack. He wanted the Muddy Buddies, peanut butter, chocolate. So I grabbed those, and nacho cheese in a pouch for Taco Tuesdays. Good to have on the shelf. So that was that. Let me put this down. And then some more new stuff. The new stuff. And apparently they don't give you a receipt unless it's over $20 now or something. She was saying something about, oh, your total's over $20, you're going to get a receipt. So otherwise you may have to request one. Yeah. So I did get these. These are great for, it's the rainy season, backpacks, car, travel, throw them in your luggage, that kind of thing. So I did grab 2 of these. This is a new item. These are the breath strips. Listerine used to make a breath strip. So this is a 24 pack. Keep in your purse. I guess that's the Listerine knockoff. These are new. Fabuloso disinfectant wipes kills 99.9% of germs and viruses. Fabuloso normally is not a disinfectant, but they're claiming it on this one. And this is, oh, and it says airplane compliant. And it says 24 wipes. Then I saw these, so I decided to try them. These are the peppermint sage multi-surface. This does not say disinfectant, so if you're trying to disinfect it, this is not it. It's just a cleaner. So here is, I think they've had these before, but this is 30 deodorant wipes. Mind you, everything is $1.25. If you caught my short, you see they started putting $19 stuff in the Dollar Tree. $19? $19. $19 for a box fan. We get those 90% off at Walgreens every year, or at worst 75% off, so they're under $5. Why y'all trying to sell a box fan for $19? Woosah. That's all I got to say about that. But these are good to have. Summertime, summer camps. Wipe off, get in my car funky. Wipe some of that funk off. Deodorant wipes. And this is a Simply Fresh scent. Then we have stain remover wipes. This is a 12 pack. So this is good. Drop something on your clothes. May be able to wipe it off so you don't look crazy. Laundry detergent sheets. I bought the 10 pack. I say I'll give them a try. Great for summer travel. Little pack. If you stay in resorts like I do, they have washer dryers in the unit. You don't want to bring back a whole bunch of funky wet pool clothes. Wash them, dry them. And then this tropical mango liquid hand soap. If you're traveling to the resorts, soap on the sink. Either you can open their bars and use the bars, or you can take your own. So this is a good one to travel with. And I bought another one of these, even though they're not the best, but I think they're cute. These are the incense burners. So the stuff was kind of falling beyond the plate, which I thought was weird, but they are cute for the incense burners. But I did try it, and it works a little bit. We will say it works a little bit. But keep these in your purse. In your purse. Mosquito repellent wipes. This is a 2-pack. You may end up in a place or a situation where the bugs are biting you and you stuck outside. So you can have these for emergency. So it's 2 wipes in this package that will kind of, get you through. And this is the last item. Carpet and room deodorizer. Now I will say this is the Wizard brand. I can Smell it a little bit through the package. It does have baking soda. Now, they had a pet version with baking soda, but it didn't have an outline scent. So this is the baking soda version. This was $1.25. This package is full. So yeah, it looks smaller, but it's fuller than the Arm & Hammer, in my opinion. It says 21 ounces, and this is the linen scent. So that was a cute little quick haul with travel essentials, the foods I actually like, the newer foods that I actually like. So I hope you like this video. And remember to always prep and pray. Keep a little emergency bag in your car for great little things to keep in your car for emergencies. And always, and for the garden, the mosquito repellents, garden, when we out there at night, like it rained now, I know them mosquitoes gonna be on me. So, little items. Notice it wasn't a big haul, because Dollar Tree finna stop getting my money. So if you caught my video where I went to Pop Shelf for Memorial Day, 50% off. You know we've been chasing the Touchland dupes, and it came to me. That was intentional. That had to be an intentional marketing thing for Dollar Tree. We gonna send one box to each store. That's gonna keep people running in there looking for this product, this hot new product. And if you like me, every time you walk in, you gonna spend some money on something. You gonna look around and find something. So we got you, Dollar Tree. I see you. I see you. So I'm very selective right now. I'm very careful. But the Pop Shelf has a dupe for $4. Can you bring me that cameraman? I'm about to call you Candyman. Cameraman, can you bring me that? You know what I'm talking about. It's in that basket with them hand sanitizers in a package. So they have one for $4. They had 3 different scents, just in case, because that video didn't get a lot of watches. I don't know. Maybe because everybody doesn't have a Pop Shelf. But if you have one, go visit one. Go back and watch that video. And it's in like a package with the cardboard. In that basket with all the hand sanitizer. And then if you didn't catch my other video, that did get a lot of play. So you probably caught that one with the penny item. But you may not see it in this video because he can't find it. So they have a Touchland dupe, but it's not square. It's like more heart-shaped, kisses-shaped, or whatever. So check out Pop Shelf. They were in stock, and to pay the $4 beats going to 10 different Dollar Trees looking for it. Also, to pay the $10, shoot, you could have went to Ulta and paid the $10, because I'm sure you went to at least 10 Dollar Trees looking for it, if you like me. So, just a word to the wise, just a word to the wise. Look, I almost bought myself to pay the 10, but God made a way for me to find it for 4, and I'm done searching. But you will still get Dollar Tree hauls here and there. I just need to kind of quit dragging that junk up in here. So I hope you like this video, and I'll still do my weekly new finds walkthroughs without bringing the stuff home. So go ahead, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, and catch all of those as they come out. I thank you so much for watching. I love you to life. Have a great day.